Why does your scanner show the P2056 engine code? And what does it mean? P2056 is a diagnostic trouble code for Reductant Injection Valve Circuit, or OPEN, Bank 2 Unit 2. This error code indicates an electrical open circuit in your diesel vehicle's diesel exhaust fluid (DEF) injection system. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring, faulty connectors, defective DEF injector, module issues, blocked DEF injector. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like GMC, Chevrolet, Ford, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.